Dor-Mar Dublin Heating and Air Service is proud to serve Central Ohio since 1962. A word from the owner, Stephen K. Brewer. Dor-Mar Heating and Air Conditioning has been serving Dublin and surrounding areas since 1962. Starting out as a small door-to-door company, Dor-Mar has grown to be one of the largest heating and cooling service companies in Ohio. Dor-Mar is family-owned and operated. We hold our employees to the highest standards to ensure we provide our customers with the best HVAC service possible. We currently have more than 40 employees, all who are passionate about taking care of our customers' needs. Our employees attend frequent training, ensuring we keep up with the ever-changing HVAC industry. As a result of our hard work and honesty, Rheem Coleman recently recognized us as a top team contractor. We offer free estimates on new equipment installation, and provide customers with 24-hour service. My grandfather started our company in 1962, and my father ran it before me. We are a customer service-oriented company that focuses on reliable, friendly, and lightning-fast service. My father, Greg S. Brewer, started the philosophy of helping youth athletics in our community. This year, we sponsored 25-plus Little League baseball teams with donations and other support. I started in this business at 19, with my father putting me in crawl spaces to run ductwork while on summer vacation from school. I obtained my state commercial license at 25. Our commitment is to the highest level of customer service. Dor-Mar Dublin Heating and Air is proud to install and service quality Rheem Coleman products. We pride ourselves on providing outstanding customer service for all makes and models of heating and cooling equipment. Call us to schedule a service appointment or for a free, no-obligation consultation to determine the perfect system for your home or business. We look forward to hearing from you and adding you to our long list of satisfied customers. We offer same-day no heat or no cooling service and repair in Dublin, Ohio and surrounding areas. Call 614-545-8939 today for service today, or use our convenient online appointment request form. We look forward to serving your family's every heating and cooling need.